Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Recreated. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. Hope you're enjoying this shorts that I've put up lately of the lemonade, the healthy chocolate shake, and the pickles. Oh my gosh, I cannot stop eating them, you guys. They're so good. I hope you try them. So you ever feel like lazy and you want to do dinner, you want it fast? That's what we're doing today. We are going to make bacon wrapped steak bites two different ways. The sweet and spicy, which I know you guys have seen me do with chicken, and then we're gonna have some with just like a garlic thyme butter, like you know what's the word? Basted one afterwards. I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna do that because it's easy. It's gonna cook up quick in the air fryer, and it's gonna be delicious. So let me just get started with that because I'm hungry. Thank you again for being here. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I appreciate it. Leave me a comment. Just say hi. Let me know if you try anything, and let's just go. All right, so I just picked up a couple of filet mignons. I wanted a really good steak since we're just doing little bites. So I'm gonna do half of it with the sweet and spicy mixture, and then the other half with the garlic butter thyme that we're going to baste over it. So what I'm going to do is just cut these up into bite-sized pieces, and then I'm going to cut up some bacon. I'm going to cut this one and wrap it around it, and salt and pepper them, and we'll stick them in the air fryer. Okay, let me do this part really quick. Okay, so I just cut the bacon in thirds. Usually I do it in half when I do like the chicken, but these are smaller bites, so I cut it in thirds, and may or may not need toothpicks. So I just tossed a little bit of olive oil in the bowl and then put salt and pepper, and just tossed it around so they were nicely coated. And we're gonna do the butter and thyme garlic ones first. So I'm just gonna wrap those. Yeah, I don't know if I need toothpicks because I can just place them down on the air fryer, and then when it's time to like turn them halfway, it should be sealed. So let me wrap these up, and we'll put them in the air fryer, and we'll start on the sweet and spicy one. Okay, so the first ones just go in, the butter thyme garlic ones, because we're going to baste those when they're done. Okay, so you probably hear it in the background. The first ones are in the air fryer. I just have it at 400 degrees. We're going to check it at about 10 minutes. And now we're just coating the sweet and spicy ones. See it. Just a nice coat all over. Yum, you guys, yum. All right, let me finish this, and I'll take the other ones out and put these ones in, and then we'll baste the other ones together. How about that? How fun. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna just use my hands. I separated this so I could do the two different kinds that I have. And couldn't wait. I'm so sorry. I basted these as soon as they came out. So these are the ones that I basted with the butter, the thyme and garlic and butter. So I'm just gonna place those here. And the other ones just got finished. Oh my gosh. So good. And then I'll just take this leftover delicious butter garlic sauce. Oh my gosh. Pour it over. Yum. All right. Now we have, sorry, thank you for waiting. Oh gosh, these are so good. Look at these ones. Hi, welcome to the party. gosh. You guys, do you want some? There's plenty. Well, maybe not. They're so good. I'm gonna devour them. All right. Let's see. I can probably put more over here. Oh, man down. All right. There you guys go. All right, you guys. There it is. Let me know if you try it. So good. See you next time, guys. Bye.